Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we are just going to start the full supply chain management course with logistic management. Okay, so this is the first session and we will start this first session with the definitions and understanding what is actually supply chain management. Okay, so supply chain management is the management of planning and supply of the chain activity. Okay, so that take place in business. Okay, so all business have some activities, okay, like a sourcing product from the origin to the consumer. So this is the management planning which related to supply activities, okay, in business term. These can be include product development, logistic and sourcing and producing. Okay, so these are the 4 points which are main entity of this. Okay, product development, logistic. Okay, so product development means that the product which is being produced by the company, development of that product. Okay, then logistic means storage and movement of the goods. Sourcing means procurements from the vendors or supplier. Okay, then manufacturing. So all these are activities which involved in this process is called supply chain management. Okay, now the definition of the logistic management. So the logistic management refer to the acquisitions, storage and transportation inventory from its origin to destination. So here we can say the supply chain management and logistic are the same thing. Okay, but in supply chain management, it's concentrate over the all the activities which is involved in the movement of goods from source point, okay, origin to the consumer. In this, there are a lot of activities include procurements, okay, movements, transportations, and manufacturing and storage, all the things. Okay, but in logistic management, mainly focus on the transportation and storage, like a warehouse, okay, and inventory management. So this is in logistic, we can say the movement of goods by transport, storage in warehouse, and inventory management. Okay, so these things are belong to logistic parts. Okay, it involves maintaining the inventory resources and related informations and getting the goods to the right location at the right time and the right customer. Okay, so this thing need to understand. Main thing is resources goods from the origin where these goods are available, then procure and movement of this good from the origin to the right location, right time and right customer. So in simple way we can say the supply chain and logistic management are the almost same thing, but the supply chain is the vast area in which complete activities involved from raw material to the finished good to customer. And the transportation in the logistic part, these are the thing basically on the transportations and storage and inventory. So you can see on the screen. Okay, so by the help of this diagram, you can understand what is the supply chain management in simple language. Okay, so management of the all planning and supply chain activities here. So you need to understand. Okay, so this is the firm which manufacturer. Okay, so manufacturer not only depend on himself, but he's depend on the raw material supplier. Okay, if manufacturer have a raw materials for the manufacturing, then he can produce the goods. Okay, so what he will do, first he go to the timber companies, like a good timber product, like it, and he has to go to timber companies then source timber, then this timber goes to the paper manufacturer. Okay, so these both things, the paper manufactured by the timbers from the timber company, then this give to the factory corporations. Okay, so they prepare just like a packaging materials. Okay, now some companies, the chemical manufacturers, okay, it convert the plastic product. Okay, plastic producers, they also give to the main manufacturers. Okay, so main manufacturer is producing the main product, in which include the packing materials. So he need to source from the other supplier. Then the raw materials he need to source from the other supplier. So we can say supplier 1 to supplier 2, supplier 3. These are the sources where this available. Okay, so supplier 1, supplier 2, and supplier 3. So these are the supplier. They will provide the source. Okay, now this supplier 1, supplier 2, all the goods goes to the manufacturers. Okay, so here supplier product come at the manufacturer company. Now main product need to be produced. Okay, so all the materials which related to the manufacturing process of the finished goods will be joined here in the manufacturing company and make finished good. Okay, so this after finished goods, these goods go to the Walmart and third party distributor channel. Okay, so these go through the you can say the distributor center. Then distributor will send to the mall, then finally it received to the customer. So in this process, the goods move from the manufacturer to the customer. So overall thing is that how this process will happen, like a sourcing from the sources and manufacturers and then customer. So all activities and planning which involve in this process is called the supply chain management. Okay, now we go to the next skin. Okay, so supply chain management, you can see on the screen the definition again here. Okay, so here first compare component and raw materials, then manufacturer, then wholesaler and distributor, then retailer, and then customer. Okay, so you can see on the screen this activity is going to downward to upward. Okay, first raw material, then manufacturer, then distributor, wholesaler. Manufacturer make the finished good, and then finished goods will go to the wholesaler and distributor, then retailer, then finally customer. Okay, so by help of this diagram, you can understand how the process is going on. Okay, the raw materials manufactures raw materials is sourced by the supplier. Okay, then it reached the factory, then distributor center. Okay, then retailer and the customer. So these all activities called the supply chain management. So guys, we have tried to understand what is supply chain management. So in simple language, we can say the activities all related from the sourcing to the manufacturing and manufacturing to the customer, in which involve the supplier, many supplier, then it's go to the manufacturer, then manufacturer produce the final finished good, then give to the third party. Okay, we can say distributors or wholesaler, then these goods go to the retailer. So this for these full activities, you need to have a good planning, in which the goods you need to first check out the weather locations, like if you supply this product in Rajasthan. So first you have to select some wholesalers which can distribute these goods rightly and equivalent to the whole Rajasthan. Then under this wholesaler, retailer will work. Okay, so like in Rajasthan you have positions, there are 10 wholesaler. Okay, then under this 10 wholesaler, they arrange the 40 retailer. Okay, so these are things that 10 retailers under the one wholesaler. Okay, and the one retailer will control the one or two districts. So in this way, the right controlling maybe happens. Okay, so management of these things is called supply chain management. So guys, we are going to end this session, and we are just completing the full supply chain management course in the 40 sessions. So this is the first session we have completed with the definition, and now more important sessions will come on the uploaded on the YouTube soon. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.